How's it going, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video as we're back in the studio officially from Italy, which Italy, guys, was freaking phenomenal. Great vacation. It was our second time going to Italy. We were there for like 8-9 days. We went to Rome, Milan. We saw Taylor Swift. My wife freaking loves Taylor Swift, so it was great going out there and seeing her, right? And yeah, it's good to be back in the studio, back cranking out videos. And in this one, we're going to break down Gamestop, which, as I'm sure you guys have seen, has been creeping up. It's up from around $24.60 a couple of days ago. Actually, a week ago, we hit that point. And then yesterday, after the bell, we almost hit literally a cent away from $30 per share. So we have to break down the charts here. We'll go over the options chain as well in this video and go over what I'm looking to do. So smash the like button, guys. Make sure to subscribe. And don't forget up to 15 stocks, each up to $2,000 with at least a $100 deposit for Moomoo. Link down below, or simply go to stasurfs.com/Moomoo. Get your money. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. And actually, let me take a sip of my coffee here myself, guys. And now, let's get into it. So, again, GameStop was 1 cent away from hitting that $30 level again, which you guys probably remember. It hasn't been, or rather, it has been a little bit since we did hit $30. You guys can see on the 20-day chart, we haven't been at $30, since it looks like the middle of June. Actually, let me pull the layers back a little bit more. Looks like here the last time we hit $30 was in the beginning of June. So we're talking, this was the first time in almost a month and a half since we hit that point. And clearly, it seems like GameStop is being awakened from hibernation, whatever the heck you want to call it. It was pretty much in no man's land for a good couple of weeks here from the middle of June up until now, middle of July, right? You guys can see we were pretty much trending around $22 to $23, $25 per share, and now we're starting, as of the last couple of days, to pick it back up. You guys can see we hit about $24.50 a week ago, and now, like I said, we're up a good chunk, about $5, $6, actually more like $4 or $5 from that point, or about 16%. You guys can see this move here. So now we're noticing, excuse me, guys, my allergies are freaking terrible right now, by the way. So if my eyes look puffy, my nose is running. You guys can't tell that, obviously, but it is running a little bit. I actually have a towel right here just in case I have to wipe my nose a bit. That's why I'm looking a little bit weird. My allergies are freaking terrible, right? We were in Italy. Now we're back in the States. And I don't know. It's hitting me like a train right now. It is what it is. But look, we're up 16% in the last week on GameStop, and now we're taking out multi-week highs. And on the 4-hour chart, coming back here, we were under the moving averages. We had a death cross, right, for a little bit of time here. Now it's the opposite. We're back over the moving averages, about to get a golden cross here in a little bit by the looks of it, right? Especially if we get another pop in the stock here. So this is looking very good overall for the bulls, right? We can see now the next, main resistance I'm looking at, if we zoom in, let's say like this, we can see $34, $35. That's a big spot. That was the high from, it looks like, the 12th of June. Then if that were to break, man, we could be going even higher from there. What do you guys think about that in the comments? Let me know down below. But yeah, GameStop, it looks like it's finally back from the dead, guys. Hibernation is over, at least for now, for the stock. And let me see what other meme stocks are moving. It looks like AMC is trying to break out. This is another one that is kind of, almost at a breakout spot. As you guys can see, we have a golden cross. We're above the moving averages. Now we're starting to break out of the highs from the last couple of weeks. We have an inverse head and shoulders kind of in the making here, kind of playing out, which is a great sign for the bulls. So if AMC could start pushing mid-high fives, man, this could really start moving even further up from there. So this is what we're looking like right now in the midst of an overall red day for the stock market. And oh my God, my nose is freaking itching right now, guys. This is what we're looking at right now, right? S&P down 1.2, NASDAQ down 2.3%, Russell's down 0.6, as the Dow's up around 0.25%. This is kind of what we're looking like, which honestly is not that bad. GameStop is holding up well in the midst of an overall red day. And again, we need to see if it pushes 30 plus. If it does, $34 could be next, and who knows where we could be going from there. So let me set my alert right now at $30 per share. Mark is at or above, as that is again the high from yesterday after the bell. So let me pull up quickly now before I forget, guys, the options chain here on GameStop. And by the way, guys, run the likes up. If you haven't hit the like button yet, hit that like button. I challenge you guys, 150 likes on this video. Is it possible? And make sure to subscribe as well. We're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers on this channel, and it's not possible without you guys. I appreciate you all as always. So yeah, this is the options chain right now, which these are the ones that expire in 2 days. Obviously, that's very risky. I would never buy calls that expire the week of, at least me personally, right? I don't know. Maybe if you're a complete degenerate, you'd want to do that. But hey, I'd be looking at the ones at least a couple weeks out. Let's say, for example, the August 9th calls here. We have the $30 strike trading. Let's see here, $4 ask price. So multiply that by 100. We're talking $400 for a contract here. Not too bad. We can see open interest $1,600 on the $30 calls that expire on August 9th. So it looks like some people are on those. Looks like here, let's see 35 maybe. Okay, $35 strike, $3.10 times 100, so $310 to get into that one. That's a bit more risky considering where we're at, $28.80. So maybe let's go out a month, right? Let's say August 16th, 30 days out, $30 calls. There you go. Way more open interest on those. 21,000 open interest on the $30 calls that expire August 16th, and those are at $4.50 times 100, so $450. So yeah, implied volatility pretty high, 150%. So if I'm looking at calls, guys, which is very risky, of course, there's time involved with calls. It's not like buying shares where you can just buy and hold forever. You have to be right with call options within that time period, right? So if you think GameStop is going 30 plus, these might be ones worth looking at, right? $30 strike price, August 16th, right? $4.60 times 100, so $4.60. Not too bad. We have a good amount of open interest on those. So those are kind of what I'm looking at in terms of calls on GameStop. Now, am I in these calls? No. Do I own shares as of now? I don't. Did I own shares and calls before? Did I make money? I did. I also lost some money. But yeah, as of now, I'm kind of on the sidelines waiting to make the move. And of course, I'll update you guys on these videos. So make sure, again, to subscribe and smash that like button. You might as well do that as well. And don't forget to get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Simply use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And for a limited time, your uninvested cash will earn 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. That's unheard of. So get on it. Use that link. And with that being said, cheers. I'll see you guys in the next video.